Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pooja. In today's video, I have created this super easy look for you guys. The beauty of this look is that you don't actually need any eyeshadow palette or eyeshadows to create this eye look. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any new videos of mine. Also check out my Instagram where I post a lot of other exciting stuff. Here is the handle and I'll also leave the link in the description box below. So if you want to see how I achieve this beautiful eyeshadow without using any eyeshadow, then please keep watching. For today's look, I am using two primers. First one is Benefit Professional and the second one is Strobe Cream from MAC. I'm concentrating the Benefit one on my T-zone where I have some pores and the Strobe Cream on the perimeters of my face for some dewiness. Then I'm priming my eyes with the concealer and setting it with a powder. It is always important to set the concealer with a powder as it prevents creasing. Also the shadows tend to sit well and longer on the eyes. I have used the tapes at my outer corners to get sharp edges. Now I'm using this Maybelline Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick as we aren't using any eyeshadow palettes and applying it over my eyes. Then using a blending brush, I'm gonna blend it all over my lid. I'm reapplying the lipstick till I get the desired intensity. Then using a large blending brush, I'm blending the edges to give it a softer look. Then I'm using a black eye pencil and applying it very close to my upper lash line. I'm using a tapered brush to blend the kajal. I'll also be using a pencil brush to smudge the kajal in its place. I'm switching between these two steps and reapplying the eye pencil for deepening the black's intensity. Moving back to the face, I will be using color correctors today as I have some redness on my face. I'm applying the orange corrector under my eyes and the green on my cheeks where I have some redness. I'm using a brush to blend the corrector under my eyes and a damp beauty sponge to blend it on my cheeks. For my base, I'm using Maybelline Superstay Foundation. I'm swiping it across my face and blending it with the damp beauty blender. Next, I'm using Maybelline's Age Defined Concealer and applying it under my eyes and all the high points. For setting the concealer, I'm using Makeup Studio Translucent Powder. I'm only gonna set the concealed areas today. For my brows, I'm using the eyebrow definer from Wet n Wild. You can see that I'm holding the pen from the end because that allows me to be very light-handed with the pigment and I don't want to go overboard on this one. I outline the brows first and then fill them in, and I always finish my brows by brushing them with the help of a spoolie. Now I'm using the Total Temptation mascara for my top and bottom lashes. I'm also gonna pop on a pair of false lashes. Then I'm applying a black eye pencil in my waterline. Then I use the same lipstick with the help of a fine brush to smudge out the kajal. For bronzing my face, I am gonna use Nykaa Highlight and Contour Duo. I take a fluffy brush to bronze up my face and I use the same shade to contour my nose. To bring back some color, I apply a dash of blush from MAC on my cheeks. I always drag the blush upward towards my temples. It gives me a nice look rather than a blotch of color. Today I'm going with the Pack Baked highlighter in the shade 02. As you guys can clearly see, I got a little carried away and put on way more highlighter than I should have. For my lips, I am using the same lipstick which I used over my eyes. First I line the lips and then fill them in. Finally, to complete the look, I am spritzing MAC Fix Plus on my face and letting it air dry. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you guys liked it and learned something new from this video. And if you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.